Hi, I'm Pierre Raymond from the HealthMatrix team. I'm going to demonstrate a dashboard for the Utah Department of Health's Prescriber Drug Monitoring Program. For this demo, I'll simply log in using a prescriber's ID. When the dashboard loads, it will populate data into the various cards. Okay, let's take a look at the various sections of the dashboard. In the upper right corner of the header, you can see the prescriber's name displayed. In the main content area of the dashboard, there are two sections, the scorecard and history and the resources section. First, let's cover the scorecard and history section. As a prescriber, I can view information about my drug prescribing behavior, both in raw data and chart form. The total prescriptions written card, the blue one, compares my prescribing history to that of prescribers in my specialty and those of prescribers in the state of Utah. The opioid prescriptions card, the orange one, displays data about opioids that I've prescribed in the last 6 months, to include those that have a potency of 90 plus MME per day. The prescriptions by drug class card shows me information about specific habit-forming drugs that I've prescribed, and that would be the green card. In the second row, you see the charts that accompany the cards above. The last row of cards provide patient-related data designed to raise flags about behaviors that put patients at risk for overdose. In the yellow card, the top 10 patients by prescriptions displays those patients with the most number of prescriptions. The remaining two cards show patients with 3 or more prescribers and also patients with using 3 or more pharmacies. Okay, let's look at the resources section. One of the requirements from the state of Utah was to provide links to online medical assistance treatment facilities, also called MATs. So this is what you see in the resources section. You see a list of MATs, and they're filterable by county. So if I wanted to look at all the MATs in Salt Lake County, I would select it from this drop-down list. And here you only see the Salt Lake County MATs. And if I want to return back to the full list, I would select all, and the full list would display. All right, well, that concludes the demo of the different parts of the dashboard. And as you can see, the dashboard gives a prescriber a clean interface that provides relevant prescribing behavior data in a simple to understand way. In closing, the HealthMatrix team thanks Kayla Davis from the Utah Department of Health for providing the guidance and data for developing this dashboard. Thanks for watching.